Hi, sweet one, and welcome back to Embodied Divinity. I want to start this episode by inviting you to place your hand on your heart just for a moment, to feel yourself here, to acknowledge this one wild, sacred life that you are living and the love that is already within you. I've had a magical week and I've been sitting with a really yummy truth that cracked me right open in the best and hardest ways. I am the one I've been waiting for. And maybe, just maybe, so are you. Wherever you are, driving or folding laundry, on a walk, in bed, or simply listening in stillness, I want you to know this space is for you. Not the version of you that's got it all together, not the version of you you post about, not even the version of you you're becoming. This is for the you that's right here, right now. The one who aches, the one who hopes, the one who's tired of waiting to be loved the way they deserve. The one who maybe is quietly wondering, am I too much, or maybe not enough? Today we're talking about the kind of love that doesn't require chasing, the kind that doesn't ghost you, doesn't gaslight you, doesn't make you earn it. We're talking about the kind of love that already lives inside you. We're talking about becoming the love you long for. I just returned from Hawaii and it was medicine. Not because it was perfect, though it was beautiful, but because it mirrored something I had been aching to remember. There were these sacred little moments. Dinner overlooking the sunset, waves crashing so close they felt like breath. Morning tea while the sun kissed the ocean good morning. Wearing clothes that made me feel like art. Smiling at strangers. Buying things that made my soul giggle. Breathing deep, like really deep. And the whole time the universe whispered, this gets to be your life all the time. And then came the return, back to the laundry, back to the weight of being a single mom, back to the bills, the schedules, the emails, and the garage that needed cleaning. And suddenly I noticed myself shrinking. That old voice, that was nice, but now back to reality. That old panic, how do I hold on to the magic? That old ache, I wish someone would just take care of me. But instead of abandoning myself, I stayed. That's the difference. It's not that the ache isn't there anymore. It's that I'm listening. Because I've learned the ache isn't weakness. The ache is a compass. It's the part of me saying, don't forget. Don't betray me. I deserve a life that feels like love. If we're honest, how many times have we left ourselves? Not physically, but emotionally, energetically, spiritually. We abandon ourselves every time we say yes when we mean no. When we chase someone who isn't choosing us. When we pretend we're okay when we're breaking open. When we wait for someone else to give us permission to shine. And I get it because I've done it all. I've been the overgiver, the one who stays silent to keep the peace, the one who performs because it made me feel worthy. But underneath it all was this scared little girl whispering, please don't leave me again. So let me ask you gently, where have you been leaving yourself? When was the last time you told yourself the truth? When was the last time you checked in with your body, not to fix it, but to honor it? When was the last time you said, "What do I need?" and actually listened? And let's laugh for a second, because sometimes I ask myself what I need, and the answer is chocolate, a nap, and an entirely new life, please. I hear you. Me too. But even in that, there's gold. There's truth. I've learned over the years that healing doesn't have to feel like punishment. It can feel like beauty. It can feel like poetry. It can feel like pleasure. When I got back from Hawaii, I didn't jump back into my to-do list. I spent Saturday in bed, sipping tea, eating nourishing food, reading one of my favorite novels, grieving the little island of love that I left, hoping, integrating. And that was devotion. That was romance. That was me saying to my inner child, you are worth rest. You are safe to soften. So often we wait to be loved like that. We wait for someone to take us to dinner, to buy us flowers, to make us feel chosen. But what if you dressed like you were someone's muse? You lit a candle just to sit with your breath. You said your name like a prayer. You made your lunch with the care of a 5-star chef. Not because anyone was watching, but because you are the love you long for. Say it out loud with me. Seriously, wherever you are, whisper this. I am the love I long for. Let me tell you about the woman I'm becoming. She is carefree in the most intentional way. She wears luxury, not for anyone else, but because she is luxury. She eats whatever she loves. She doesn't chase, she magnetizes. She trusts that what's hers will always find her. She breathes deep, she creates, she laughs a lot. She is magic and she knows it. She is me and you. Every time I say no to what drains me, every time I choose softness over hustle, every time I stop scrolling and start listening, every time I treat myself like someone I adore, I become her. She's not far away. She's right here, beneath the ache, beneath the fear, beneath the shame and the to-do list and the responsibility. And she is waiting for you to stop waiting. Let yourself be the one. Whether you're in a relationship or on your own, stop waiting for someone else to see you or save you or choose you. Come home. And I have a couple of places that you can start if you're like, but where do I go from here? You can make one beautiful meal for yourself this week. You can write a love letter to the part of you that feels unworthy. You can wake up and ask, how can I romance my life today? Let this week be a love story, not with someone else, but with your own soul. Because you are not too much. You are not too late. You are not hard to love. You are love. Breathe that in. Again, a little deeper this time. There you are. Thank you for being here with me today. Thank you for choosing you. I'm so proud of you. On Wednesday, you'll hear a guided activation all about devotion to yourself. And as always, I'll have 2 really fun, informative articles on Substack and lots of little inspirational notes around the way. I'm also getting more into my TikTok, and that's just more like fun me, authentic me, just sharing little glimpses of my life and my vulnerabilities. There's so many ways for us to connect, and I want to be with you on this journey. I want to walk with you and hear about your story. If you feel called, I'd love for you to comment wherever you're listening to this and let me know how it feels, how it opens you. And it would mean so much to me if you are listening to this on Spotify, if you could give me a 5-star review, because I'm really trying to boost who can hear this, and that really helps more than you know. Or just, if this episode spoke to your heart, share it. Text it to a friend who's been feeling a little lost. Or just sit with yourself for a few more minutes in quiet, grateful for who you are becoming. Until next time, I love you. Breathe deep and plan on miracles. Talk soon.